Hey guys, I'm Ivan. Today I will show you our ceramic 3D printing process. Which an appropriate amount of ceramic powder and mix it with photosensitive resin. Use a planetary gravity mixer to blend the materials evenly. For large-scale production, a ball mill can also be used to prepare large quantities of ceramic slurry. You will need a model to print. Slice the model using Box software and save the file to the USB drive. Pour the ceramic slurry into the printer's resin tray. Insert the USB drive into the printer and configure the printing settings, including exposure time, layer cure speed, and others. The printer uses UV light to expose each layer according to the sliced model, curing the slurry layer by layer. Once the process is complete, the print sample will be ready. Remove the printed sample from the printer and ration it with alcohol. Use an air gun to blow off any excess slurry. After cleaning, immerse the sample in ration for further processing. Once dried, the sample is ready for sintering. Follow the sintering curve for the appropriate process. Typically, aluminum should be sintered at 1650 degrees Celsius and zirconia at 1500 degrees Celsius to achieve the final ceramic product.